Okay, so I think we can move forward with our third speaker, Jacques Whale, Business Development at Ramp Network, gateway for people to buy crypto directly from a wallet or from a DeFi on the Ramp network. So, Jacques, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the time to present RAMP. I'm going to stick to the two core principles we have here at RAMP, which is ease of use and ease of understanding and compliance. So I'll stay under the time limit. So at RAMP, what we do is we make crypto easy. What we want to do is to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world. So there's a lot of friction still between these two financial systems. One's obviously a lot more archaic. There's a lot more regulations, technologies that's not up to date. Whereas on the other side of things, you have a lot of experimental, very cutting edge technologies, and connecting these two worlds not always the easiest. But that's the business opportunity for us. So that's what we do. Like I said again, we have two core principles at RAMP. One is ease of use and ease of compliance, ease of understanding, and the other one is compliance. So RAMP was actually the first to get an open banking license. This is a new European standard that, that requires all the banks in the EU to open up their back-end banking infrastructure for third parties financial services to tap into. So we were the first to get that. And then also we were one of the first 8 companies to be registered in the UK as a crypto asset company. That was quite a few years ago, and I'm happy to say we have continued that progress. And just at the end of last year, we were able to get our money service business license in the US. So we're now available in the US, and we're working to expand our presence around the globe, and while staying 100% compliance in the jurisdictions that we operate in. So that's about RAMP. A little bit about me. I've been doing crypto since 2013. So I've seen a few cycles of Bitcoin and the ups and downs. I was working in the Bitcoin space for quite a while until I move on to sort of doing more general multi-chain stuff. So I had a project called BitAd where I was doing decentralized advertisement on the Bitcoin blockchain. We had what was then pseudo NFTs on the Bitcoin network. So that was an interesting time when the gas was low and there wasn't too much transactions happening. And I move on to Found Discussions, which is a decentralized social media platform on the EOS network. Now I'm working at RAMP as the business developer, and you can find me at these links. And if you have a phone, you can scan the QR code, you can find me there as well. So that's enough about me. Back to RAMP. So we want to make sure that cryptocurrency could reach its full potential by enabling access. And we've been able to do that very successfully to our partners. We are the exclusive fee on ramp for Axie Infinity. And as you know, Axie Infinity is growing massively over the last few years. They have onboarded more than $1.3 billion into the ecosystem. And we had a not insignificant part to play in that. So we're very, very very happy to have them as a partner, but also very excited about sort of the validation of what we built can be used to onboard massive amounts of value into the different ecosystems that we do support. Our other big partner is SoRare, another NFT trading platform, fantasy football platform that's also done massively well in helping them onboard value for the users, making it easy for the users to use the solution. Obviously, we don't work exclusive with games. Games is my specialization, so that's why I spend so much time talking about it. We do work with a lot of great wallets out there. Trust Wallet, for example, is one of our great partners that we recently integrated with, as well as Bitcoin.com. So I just want to show you a quick demo of our application just to show you sort of like the flow and the process and how easy it is. So the user would just type in their email address, so they get a confirmation code in the email, which they will input. And then they would just confirm their email address to select a payment method, verify the information, and then we do our KYC on the application itself. It's a quick KYC. If you use open banking, it's instantaneous. If not, you just upload a few documentations like driver's license. You do a short videos of yourself. and then you get verified within minutes and instant again if you're in the EU and using the open banking system. So you upload your documents, it gets verified, and then all you have to do is wait for the network to process your transaction, and the cryptocurrency is delivered into your wallet. We are also integrated with applications like Revolut, so you could very easily use. People could very easily use payment methods they're already familiar with. So the other being credit card, debit card. We're also adding support for ACH in the US. We're adding local payment support. So no matter which region you're in, we want to make it so that whatever payment method you're comfortable, whatever payment your users are already familiar with, they could use that payment method to get access to the cryptocurrency market. So obviously, we recently added support for RIF as well as the stablecoin RDOC, dollar on chain. So we're very excited to hear more from partners like you. So if you want to reach out to us, please do send us an email. We would love to support your application and help you onboard more users and make it easier for users to onboard onto this new and exciting ecosystem. And just as a last bit of note, we recently raised a $50 million round, and we're looking to expand our team across the board. If you're interested in joining us and help make crypto a little bit easier for our everyday friends and family members, please do reach out to us at the same email. I'll be happy to sort of introduce you to the team, and let's work together. Thank you.
Thank you, Jax, for the presentation, for the demo about Ramp. Again, very interesting. I want to highlight the part of, if you are interested in having Ramp working with you, please feel free to contact either Jack or even RSK. We can put you in contact with Ramp's team in case you want to work with them. I'm saying this because I asked you, Jax, just to confirm, many of our partners working in Latin America or have a big focus on Latin America. So just to confirm, you are able to work with Latin American partners.
I'm not gonna be dishonest. Working in Latin America is a tricky situation. Right now, we have support in Latin America. It is nowhere as robust as we would like to be, and we're putting resources into making it more robust. But that's in part, and not to get too deep into the details there, because there's a system called 2DS, the payment security system that we implemented that a lot of banks in Latin America has not yet implemented. So we're working with the banks and institution there to sort of come to understanding so that the cards and the bank transfers there could be better supported, and the transaction there could be better processed. And again, we do this for the security of the users. It's not like we don't want the business in Latin America. It's just everyday business situation.
Perfect. Now, yeah, sounds fair. And yeah, anyway, I know we have a lot of partners and even final users that will be very interested in trying Ramp and working with you, for sure.
Awesome. Looking forward to it.
Perfect.